Welcome back to my channel.
Do you recall when we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice? And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones.
I never realized the importance and necessity of the cast iron cookware until I became a mom.
Never seemed to leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time.
And that's when I started to bring a healthy change in my kitchen. It was enough of those toxic non-stick cookwares, and I just wanted something really raw, tough, and organic.
Time is gone and I grew up.
This cast iron tawa was the first one that I ever bought, और ये इतना मल्टीपर्पस है कि काफी समय तक मुझे और कुकवेयर की जरूरत पड़ी ही नहीं.
The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind.
I know it can be really challenging at times for some of us to cook on it. This is my current favorite, millet chocolate banana pancake with no wheat, no maida.
To try and keep up.
Cast iron surface, unlike the other non-stick ones, needs some time after you pour the batter on it. How much time? Till the time you see the edges going light brown. अब आप स्पैचुला से इसे फ्लिप कर सकते हैं और ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं चिपकेगा. सबसे ज़्यादा क्रूशियल पॉइंट जिसका हमें ध्यान रखना है किसी भी कास्ट आयरन के कुकवेयर में खाना बनाते समय, वो है टेम्परेचर. If the temperature is right, your food will be cooked absolutely perfectly. Because it heats up super fast. इसलिए हमेशा आंच को धीमी रखकर ही खाना बनाएं. Homemade dosa batter smells and tastes heavenly, isn't it? Before pouring any batter, do not forget to grease the pan with oil, butter or ghee.
They never seem to leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time.
यहाँ भी वही फॉर्मूला फॉलो करें. Grease the pan, pour the batter, sprinkle some oil or ghee of your choice, then have patience. Do not touch the spatula until you see the edges going light brown in color.
And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark.
High heat will burn the food, so always make sure the heat is at its minimum. Now just roll over. Your crispy dosa is ready to serve. उम्मीद है आपको मेरे वीडियोस अच्छे लगते हैं, और अगर अच्छे लगते हैं तो प्लीज इसे लाइक करना ना भूलें, शेयर करना ना भूलें और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा. आई रियली नीड योर सपोर्ट and I can't be more thankful to you guys for whatever support I am receiving from your end. So thank you very much. मेरे साथ बने रहने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. मिलते हैं अगली एक खूबसूरत वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।